What is a cash tag on Cash App? In this video, I will break down everything you need to know about cash tag on Cash App. A cash tag is a unique identifier for individuals and businesses using Cash App. Choosing a cash tag automatically creates a shareable URL where your friends, family, and customers can make payments to you privately and securely. To find your cash tag, open Cash App and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Under your name, you'll see something like $yourname123. That's your cash tag. Remember to include $sign whenever you type it. When you want to pay someone, tap Pay, then enter their cash tag instead of phone number or email. It's that easy. Just hit Pay or Request, type their tag, and enter the amount. Remember to always send a small test payment, say $1 first. If it goes through, you know you have the right cash tag. If it doesn't, you can correct it without risking your full amount. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.